How to unblock someone on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting. And now click on privacy, which is the third choice. Scroll down and click on blocked account. When you click on blocked account, they're gonna give you the list of all accounts that you did blocked. All you need to do is click on unblock and unblock. So now you did unblock this account. It's so easy. All you need to do is follow those steps I did give you. And this is guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.